Good morning. This is Anwar Beg of Five Star Estate Consultants. Commencing our journey on Five Star Talks, today we have with us the sales manager of Kalpataru, Mr. Nihal Menon.
Hi Anwar.
Hello, hi. He is the sales manager, and right now we are sitting at Kalpataru Elitis project site. So, the first question, Nihal, why Kalpataru?
Okay. All right Anwar, first of all, namaskar, welcome to Elitis. Why Elitis, why Kalpataru? Good question asked. So the most important thing is, and how many builders are there in the market that has a 50-year legacy? In other words, कितने सारे builders हैं market में जो 50 साल से building बांध रहे हैं? So there's just a handful. Even the big names, they don't stand in front of us when it comes to the legacy.
Right.
Why Kalpataru? It's a brand. There is the buildings that we give in the market, the quality that we give, the houses, the people that come and buy with us, the happiness that we create, the families that are happy with us. So there's tons of reasons when it comes to why Kalpataru.
So, talking about Elitis project, what is the USP? Why should I invest, or why anyone would invest?
Why Kalpataru Elitis? Why should you invest with us? A good question. So the most important thing is with Kalpataru, as I said, it's the brand, the quality that comes when you buy a Kalpataru house, the joy of staying in a Kalpataru apartment. And why Kalpataru Elitis? We are in Mulund, Central, the heart of Bombay. Today's date, one of the most upcoming places in entire Mumbai. आज की तारीख में if you come to Mumbai, Mulund, आपको मालूम पड़ेगा what are you investing in. We are in the heart of the city. At this point of time, what Mulund offers is convenience to reach the central suburbs, the western suburbs, and we are very close to the Harbour Airoli Bridge. We also have the western connectivity coming through Sanjay Gandhi National Park, the tunnels. So it's a 15-minute drive from here to Goregaon. 15 मिनट में गोरेगांव आज तक कभी किसने विजुअलाइज नहीं किया होगा. ओके, प्लस हम LBS मार्ग के प्राइम लोकेशन पर हैं. यहाँ से 10 सेकेंड में आई रीच the junction of Sonapur. From there to Eastern Express Highway is a 5-minute drive. There is no congestion. मुंबईकर को क्या चाहिए? No traffic, peace of mind. With Elitis, that is what you get. We have 2 metro stations coming in 100 meters. मेरे यहाँ से मेट्रो का काम चल रहा है right outside my project. On my left, we have the fire station. On my right, we have the Sonapur Junction metro station. The details are available on the metro map of Mumbai. आप जाके रेफर कर सकते हैं मुंबई का मेट्रो मैप एंड आपको ये डिटेल्स जो मैं दे रहा हूँ. सो दैट इज वाई वी आर एट अ प्राइम लोकेशन. दैट इज द रीजन यू नीड टू चूज कल्पतरू एलिटिस.
Thank you. So, talking of the actual project, what sort of area of the plot? What are the configurations? Can you just throw some light on that?
Sure. So we are on a freehold land. हमारा जो complete land parcel है वो 6.5 acres, 6.5 एकड़ का land parcel है. इसमें जो residential tower आ रहा है that is in a space of 3.79 acres, जहाँ हम 3 tower बना रहे हैं 38 floors के. Total units हैं 587 units. प्लस हमारा कमर्शियल फ्रंट आ रहा है 1.25 एकर्स में. और इसके साथ ही हम गवर्नमेंट के लिए एक बढ़िया सा, जो BMC के लिए एक बढ़िया सा गार्डन बना के दे रहे हैं जो 1 एकड़ 25 गुंटे में स्पेस्ड है. सो टोटल वी आर गिविंग इन एन एंटायर 6.50 एकर्स में वी आर गिविंग यू एन अमेजिंग स्टे विच कॉम्प्रोमाइजेज ऑफ 1.5 BHKs, 2 BHKs, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and a 4.5 BHK. Our sizes starts from 471 carpet and goes all the way till 2000 square feet.
Excellent, yeah. This is wonderful news here, where actual BMC garden is coming. So the point is that the residents will be actually having this amenity as a free amenity, which is just next door.
Yes.
Wonderful. This
So,
is very
so
good.
the idea, Anwar, that we are looking at is a walk to work concept. Plus, we want this garden to be used by the residents as well as all the people. So, due to this reason, we have come out with this concept of walk to work. So, you don't have to take your car, you just have to step out of your house and go to your office. Moreover, after your office is done, you have your garden right next to your office. So that is why we come out with a lot of planning. There's a lot of planning that goes from my project team in ensuring we create happy families.
So Nihal, what is the status of the project at this point of time?
Okay. So as I told you, we have 3 towers. At this point of time, we are working on our 3rd tower because we plan to commence work from our 3rd tower towards the 1st. So we are on the foundation level for our 3rd tower. We will soon be reaching plinth level in the next 6 odd months.
Any schemes you have in terms of finance or any special housing loans or anything, any tie-ups? Can you just throw some light on that?
So yes, when it comes to finance, we are connected with all the banks from Bombay or India, you could say. Any state bank, national bank, private bank, we are connected with each one of them. We have all sorts of schemes with the banks that are working with us. We have subvention schemes that the banks are offering. We have a majority of the banks that are connected with us. So we are very flexible when it comes to the finance part, because we understand that we have to be there for the customers. So we always work towards having the customers get what they really want.
Excellent. This is very good news. So when can we expect the project completion? What as per RERA?
So as per RERA, we are looking, my RERA जो है हमारा मार्च 26 का है. हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं मार्च सितंबर 25 तक आपको हैंड ओवर करने के लिए, ताकि दिवाली जो आप हैं काफ़ी धूमधाम से मना सकें.
Excellent. What additional features you can talk on in your project?
So in my project there are 43 odd amenities. तो जैसे हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में हमने जो एमिनिटीज़ दिए हैं वो आपको ग्राउंड फ्लोर और 5th फ्लोर आपको जो प्लान है हम आपको ब्रीफ में बता देंगे. सो हमारे यहाँ कुछ 43 ऑड एमिनिटीज़ हैं हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मेडिटेशन हॉल, क्रिकेट पिच, बैडमिंटन कोर्ट, स्क्वॉश कोर्ट, 3 स्विमिंग पूल हैं हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में, बिजनेस लॉन्च है, इंडोर गेम सेक्शन है, सीनियर सिटीज़न प्लाजा है, टॉडलर सेक्शन है. इसके अलावा वी हैव टेबल टेनिस, कैरम, वी हैव अ साइकिलिंग पाथ, वी हैव अ जॉगिंग पाथ, वी हैव अ वॉकिंग पाथ, वी हैव अ योगा जोन. सो प्लस एन array of multiple activities from all ages. We have an herb garden if someone is interested in gardening. We have a sculpture garden. We have an art garden for the people who are interested towards arts. So we are looking at a place where you have everything from all ages. You might be a 1-year-old kid or you might be a 75-year-old person. Kalpataru offers you everything in one place.
Good. The one notable feature in this project which I'm seeing is this 1.5 BHK. This is not a very common trend in this market. So this is definitely a standout. मुझे लगता है ये especially ये work from home का जो concept आया है after the COVID, I suppose this should be a very useful proposition.
सही कहा अनवर जी ने. सो जो 1.5 BHK का जो हमारा ऑप्शन है पूरे मुलुंड में कोई नहीं दे रहा है. वी आर गिविंग दिस ऑप्शन एज अ वर्क रूम और अ स्टडी रूम, ताकि जो आपको जो प्रिवेसी मिले काम करते वक्त ये आप यूटिलाइज कर पाएँ. वी आर गिविंग यू दिस 0.5 BHK एग्जैक्टली टू वर्क so that you can keep your work room or a study room, or you can use it as a bunk bed space for your small children. So ये पूरे मार्केट में ये जो 471 का 1.5 BHK का हम दे रहे हैं is not being offered by any other person. So please come see what we have to offer. We'll be happy to show you the best of it.
Any anything you can throw light on the commercial offices or the retail which is coming up?
So we are going to come out with a commercial front as well, because as I said, we have the concept of walk to work. We don't want you to take out your car and get stuck in traffic. So our option is to just have you walk to your work. So we are having some of the best brands that are going to be here. So I would like to keep a few surprises for you. So please come and see the surprises for yourself when you're here. I'm sure you're not going to be disappointed.
Wonderful to have this conversation with you. I mean, you have not only enlightened me, but all the people who definitely want to invest, want to use this as a residence, or as you rightly said, for the 1.5 BHK, which can also be used as a work from home concept, which can be used. Thank you very much, Nihal. It was a pleasure meeting you. And
pleasure is mine, Anwar.
Thank you. So here we are at the site of Kalpataru Elitis, and the work is on full swing. And with me again is Nihal here, the sales manager for Kalpataru Elitis. So Nihal, I mean, the work is on full swing here. What stage are we in?
So this is the actual site where we can see the foundations are being laid.
Yes.
So we can see the entire land parcel that we have here.
Huh.
So I'll just give you a brief about the land parcel. We can see the towers are being commenced at the foundation stage as we speak.
Yes.
So the work has begun in full swing.
Right.
On Kalpataru Elitis grounds. So from here, if you look, this is where my tower C is going to stand. Tower B is going to come where the excavation is happening here. My garden for BMC is going to be where the truck
this
is
side,
coming in
this
from.
side, this side. Acha, this one.
This is going to be the gardens for BMC. My lush green space internal gardens is going to be here, and my tower A, which will commence in the next 3 to 4 months. The excavation and everything which has begun on that side can be seen.
Yes, yes.
So the work has begun for tower A as well. So this is the entire land parcel that we have.
Nice. So I mean, what's the status exactly? Where is, I mean, what is the completion? I mean,
so we can
what
see
status?
the foundation is getting ready.
Yes.
In the next 2 months, the foundation is going to be completely done, and we will move towards completion of our plinth.
Excellent. Right.
So work has begun full swing. We have 500 odd workers that are on the site.
Yes.
This is the entire land parcel
Excellent.
that we are looking at.
Yes, yes, yes.
We are our concrete, cement and all being made out here. Our cement factory is also here, and our concrete factory is here. We have a path.
This one. Yes, yes.
That is for the concrete, so that it comes all the way till the buildings.
Anyone who is interested in Kalpataru Elitis project is free to contact me on the number given below. Thank you.